No one has visited Mars yet, but three rovers have landed on the planet and sent back information. Mars looks red because the soil has a lot of iron oxide in it, that is rust. Jupiter. Jupiter is our largest planet. Earth could fit into Jupiter over 1300 times. Jupiter has more than twice as much mass than all the other planets combined. Jupiter is made of almost entirely of gas. Saturn, the rings of beauty. Saturn is the second largest planet. The many moons of Saturn are as different as fire and ice. There are many moons around Saturn, and I think there are around 60 moons around Jupiter as well.